Hey guys, I had a couple people ask me about how I print my pick handles and they fit in so well. And this is how. So these are the rat yoke style pick handles for Sparrows picks. And you can see what happens is about halfway up the print, I actually pause the printer and then I put the pick handles or the actual picks into the handles and then complete the print from there. So these ones right here are actually all like the make your own picks. Like these are the rakes and these are the hooks. And then I have some from my older, more bent picks back there. But this is how I get them so it's the perfect slot every single time. This is actually a two-tone one. The bottom layer, which you can't see, but you can see right here, is silver. And this is Galaxy Black. And in about 30 minutes, this Galaxy Black will be done. And then I will swap back out from the Galaxy Black to the silver and finish the print. So that is how it works.